everyone, I'm Rizèl, Principal Developer Advocate at Entire. Today on Entire 101, we're covering how to create your first checkpoint. Now that we've enabled Entire in our repo, we can create our first checkpoint. Behind any AI-assisted code change, checkpoints bundle everything together: the state of the code, your prompts, the agent's full transcript, and the token usage. I'll start by making a change to our repo and prompting my agent to create a simple Tetris game. Now, I'll do my regular Git workflow to commit changes by running git add and git commit. When you make a commit, you'll see a prompt asking to link that commit to session context. In other words, it's asking, do you want this to be a checkpoint? I'll choose always because I want every commit in the repo to be linked to a checkpoint. Now, if I run the command entire checkpoint list, there it is, my first checkpoint. I can get the full story behind that checkpoint by running entire checkpoint explain with the checkpoint ID. The output starts with some metadata about the checkpoint, like why it was created and how many tokens the agent used. Below, we'll see the intent, which is the actual prompt I gave my agent, followed by a readable transcript of every prompt, response, and tool call. But notice that the summary section says not generated yet. Let's fix that. I'll run entire checkpoint explain -- generate with the same checkpoint ID. When I run explain again, the summary is filled with what was asked, what the agent did, and what changed. However, this checkpoint and context currently only live on my local machine. In the upcoming videos, we'll resolve this by uploading our repo to Entire, ensuring your teammates and their agents get the full story too. Thanks for watching. Look out for the next video on our channel, and happy trails!